Wondered what makes Somali culture distinct and vibrant? Well, sit back as we delve into the magical world of vibrant traditions and captivating tales that make up the Somali culture. Once upon a time, nestled in the heart of the Horn of Africa, there was a small but lively Somali village. The village was known for its unique blend of hospitality and resilience, traits that were deeply ingrained in the hearts of its inhabitants. In this village lived an old wise woman named Hawa. Hawa was the village's storyteller, a role she held with great pride. Every evening, under the starlit sky, she would regale young and old with tales of bravery, wisdom, and resilience. These stories were not just entertainment, but also a way to pass down values and lessons from generation to generation. One of her favorite stories was that of the lion and the gazelle. It was a tale of wisdom and survival that underscored the importance of understanding one's environment and adapting to it, much like the Somali people have done over the centuries. The lion, known for its strength and power, was the king of the jungle. The gazelle, on the other hand, was known for its speed and agility. Despite being in constant danger, the gazelle survived by being alert and quick on its feet. This story, much like many aspects of Somali culture, emphasizes the importance of resilience, adaptability, and the spirit of survival. It's a testament to the Somali people's ability to thrive amidst adversities, drawing strength from their rich cultural heritage. In Somali culture, storytelling is not just about entertainment. It's about preserving the past, celebrating the present, and inspiring the future. It's about passing down wisdom from one generation to the next, ensuring that the spirit of the culture remains alive and vibrant. To conclude, we've taken a brief journey into Somali culture, a culture rich in tradition and resilience. We've learned about the importance of storytelling in preserving cultural values and lessons. Through the tale of Hawa and her stories, we've seen how the Somali people draw strength from their cultural heritage, demonstrating resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. Remember, culture is not just about the past. It's a living, breathing entity that evolves with time while retaining its unique essence. And Somali culture is no different, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its